Or go get food and wait. Oh, fair enough. Hey, Mikey, it's starting. Alright, so I gotta do solo commentary for a little bit until my man Obsidian comes back. WoF Young Link. I haven't seen Kyubbi's Young Link yet, but yeah, we'll see. Hi. Do you wanna come do commentary or? Okay. Well, I mean, with your extensive Young Link knowledge, I'm sure you could tell me how this shit works. It's XxDarkKyubbi. I don't know what his Young Link even does, I'll be honest. These are Bradley's, yeah. Does he? I mean, it makes sense. It's a good idea, I think.
I don't think there's any point for wearing the headphones, but...
I mean, you got the microphone.
Yeah, I know.
So, what do you mean?
You put the microphone right here.
It won't pick up your voice that much. Because we
anyway.
tweet it. Anyway, teach me Young Link ways and what Kyubbi's doing. I don't fucking know what he's doing when he throws boomerang.
I mean, when I throw boomerang, I usually short hop throw it down so that you can combo off of it without getting the lag of catching it.
Okay.
Because the catching, Young Link catching boomerang gives some lag, and you can't follow up after stuff.
Oh.
Or if you do end up catching it, if you're in an attack animation,
yeah,
it either cancels or shortens the lag.
Okay.
I can't remember, but I think it cancels. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
That was good.
I mean,
Young Link in this matchup like looks for a lot of short hop down throw boomerangs. And
yeah.
if WoF avoids that, just arrow, and that usually covers it. And whatever isn't covered by arrow is usually covered by grounded up B, I think. At least in my experience. I was playing Friendlies with Berlin 45, 30 minutes ago.
To practice for, did he want to play with you?
Well, I just asked if he wanted to play. He said sure. I didn't.
Okay.
I had no idea this was gonna.
Yeah, thing. So he's got Young Link practice at least, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, fairs.
Yeah, Wolf's
fairs
really,
here.
Young Link's really susceptible to that. He's also really susceptible to Wolf down smash.
Isn't he? It doesn't hit through. It doesn't hit him through the stage.
Young Link's sword during his up B can poke through the stage.
No. Okay. I always thought it did.
Huh?
I always thought it did.
It does.
Oh, it does.
Yeah.
So he can.
It makes it easier for Wolf to hit with down smash. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Interesting. I would have thought that poke to through the stage would make it harder for Wolf to do the down smash.
Well, Wolf's down smash is really disjointed, so he can space himself away.
Okay. Okay. Well, thank you for that tip. We're learning out here, boys and girls. We're learning during Warner
Fun
Finals.
fact: Young Link's forward throw is a kill throw at 150 at the ledge.
Really?
I mean, not exactly 150, but
Around.
if you can get the grab at 150, usually it'll hit. Usually.
Yeah.
Unless you want to make out like that.
Yeah.
Good back. That was good back air.
Yeah.
Young Link actually,
Yeah.
out of one short hop, can back air and then nair. Out of
Really?
one short hop, yeah.
Oh.
So if your opponent's shielding,
Nair?
you're gonna want to run towards them,
Uh-huh.
RAR back air, and then nair to cross up their shield. And if they don't, if they let go of shield, they'll get hit by the nair. And if they don't let go of shield, you can usually ground it up B afterwards. Which obviously leads to other stuff.
Yeah. What's going on? Yay. Where the fuck did your controller go? It's on the table? Okay. Does it still work after that? Fuck. I'm definitely watching the VOD just to watch that. Sorry. That was... Sorry to completely... I don't know.
No, you're good. I'm watching.
Yeah. Anyways, back to the set. It's a last dog situation.
Shut up.
Oh, what? Oh, you know what? Yeah,
that's
Wolf
cross
F
up.
Smash fucking solid, dude.
Yeah.
I fought Rayvon. He also uses Wolf.
Yeah.
In friendlies before Drek is third. He does so many just F smash. Like it's so quick and I'm just like, shit, how do I beat this? Like I eventually learned I could just run away and just like, oh god, you see it.
Yeah.
Nods. But you can just like
That's really good.
You could have killed her, dude.
Definitely could. What happened?
He slammed the chair. 70-ish. Yeah, and his Pichu had rage too.
No, I know, but what happened to... Something happened
what was that? You know, he like... No, it definitely looked like he like pushed it really hard at the least. Anyway, Berlin up 1-0. Good for
Period,
him.
definitely emotional.
Yeah. It was at like 70, dude. It finished at like 80 to 90, which is a big stat, but good job, Polar. So Polar has to play. Fuck, I forget who I know. Sickle. No, Polar has to play Sickle and loses now. And Polar actually beat Sickle already. No, he didn't. Wait, did he?
Oddly enough, Polar and Sickle, neither of those players are on the stream right now.
Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. Wait, why did they switch?
What do you mean, why they switch?
Berlin was on the other side at first. Oh, were they on the wrong side? Okay. Well, alright. Wow. That is sad.
Berlin was using a lot more lasers, and that really helps him out. Because Young Link tries to approach in the air a lot, and Wolf can stuff him out with either fair or laser.
Oh, okay. So Berlin's kind of got the download, I'd say?
Oh,
yeah, definitely. Yeah, okay. That is rough. Wow. Oh my god! Whoa!
Just want to say, don't do it, Mikey.
I think we could see that you're about to
chase the score.
Wow. Anyways, we're looking at a potential 3-stock. This might be
definitely Berlin. You're welcome. I say that. Definitely welcome.
Berlin is looking like he might 3-stock this man. This might be the first set that's not game 5. Just by the way the momentum is going for Berlin versus XxDarkKyubbi. Wow. Alright, Berlin up 2-0. I mean, we've seen reverse...
We've seen it before.
We've seen potential reverse 3s. However, none of the reverse 3s have actually finished out. In this top 8, it's been Ephraim, I think, every time. And he went 0-2 in top 8, so obviously he never could finish out that reverse 3-0. Yeah. But the fact that...
Is that actually mellow yellow?
This one is actually mellow yellow.
Can I please have a sip?
Fucking a sip. Do you have a quarter? Nah, I don't give a shit.
I have a quarter, yeah.
I don't care that much, actually.
I definitely have a quarter.
Well, I still don't care that much. Just fucking sip my drink, you bitch.
At that time, I smelled the mellow yellow to make sure it was actually fucking mellow yellow.
Why would I fill an old I'll get like half lemon water. I hate that. Have you ever poured water in a soda bottle and it tastes super faintly like soda?
No.
That sucks.
Yes, actually.
It sucks. So anyways,
Anyway.
Pull out Link, which his Link... Dude, my commentary when it gets super late at night is fuego.
No one's gonna watch.
Exactly. So, anyways, QB, I forget if he pulled out Link. He pulled out Link against, was it Polar? No, what? No, yeah, it was Polar, and his Link ended up closing out the set with Link.
I'm so conflicted whether I like Young Link or Link more.
Do you have a Link? Or in terms of, are you talking about just aesthetically? Or to play? How do you mean? To play?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Because Link has a normal grab, which is amazing.
Which is spectacular, yeah. Because he still has like most of the stuff off guard.
Also that.
Longer sword.
Yeah, longer sword, more powerful sword by like, it kills like 70%, 80% earlier than Young Link.
The only issue is he's a little slower.
The mobility is a big issue, yeah.
But
and his bombs are worse. I hate Young Link's bombs, or Adult Link's bombs.
Ooh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is kind of easier to avoid. That's gonna kill, yeah.
All right, that were Young Link, he wouldn't even touch the blast on.
Really?
Yeah, I'm serious.
Alright. Well, fucking QB might actually reverse 3-0. We'll see. We'll see how well Berlin adapts. Because obviously Berlin adapted really well going into game 2.
Fun fact, they get to the ledge and Berlin gets like 20 more % on them. Grounded up evil kill Wolf.
Gross.
Something around there. He dead?
Yeah, back throw should kill.
Oh my god.
At least.
Nice CI and a good air dodge.
Yeah, people have been dying well with that.
No, the bomb thing.
Oh my god. QB. It wasn't even
the edge
worth it. I mean, that was good on QB for landing that, but also sick for Berlin for not being phased by it whatsoever.
Yeah. Berlin definitely just wants to go home.
Yeah, Berlin's like, okay, it's getting late. Let me get my money and go.
How many sets are left? This one,
lose its finals, and Grand. Yes, that's 3.
If Grand goes to game 10, I'm leaving.
Really? Okay,
Probably.
I mean, alright, see you, dude. But yeah.
Find some place to eat until you guys get home.
I don't know if there's any place that's actually 24-hour here.
I was definitely lying. Not doing that.
Oh, well,
They
well,
can say 24 hours?
probably. And it might be a pizza place.
Huh?
Pizza places usually last for pretty long.
Papa John's, I don't think.
Yeah.
Papa John's is open.
But I think your best bet would be Steak and Shake. Anyways. QB still maintained. Oh, that was nice. I mean, he had the mash.
Oh, nice.
Berlin's like, get that shit out of here. Stop that. Gas sets on one. Get the problem out of here. QB's like, bitch, I got another one. Fair.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Custom combo back here. A little bit custom combo. Berlin's starting. I feel like Berlin's downloading a bit faster than it did against the Young Link. Because Berlin has taken the lead just now. And probably will start. He's trying to end it. He's trying to end it right then and there. Boomerang. Berlin's like, nah, dude, I know you're gonna boomerang.
I guess.
It might be a 3-0, I just realized.
Yeah.
And then QB set to losing. I mean, QB's still guaranteed third.
Yeah.
But still. Oh. Went too early on the down.
Oh, nice.
I mean, that up smash was a bit sus, but that back air definitely made up for it. Unfortunately, not killing though.
Oh.
Giving QB the chance to come back. Oh, never mind.
That's good.
Yeah. Berlin team with a 3-0. The quickest set of today, I'm sure. At least of top 8. Like, wow. Alright, Berlin sitting pretty in grand finals. Awaiting the winner of Sickle and Polar. And then the winner of that plays QB again. So Berlin probably going to be looking good for Berlin.
Yeah.
Gotta take this. Which he did actually win, I think, his first IUPUI Smash Ultimate Weekly last week against Adam, too. So Berlin.
Polar?
No, Berlin.
Oh.
I believe Polar actually either took Adam out. Hold on, let me see. I know Polar got a good win. Polar beat Adam? I mean, I'm going to double check, though. Yep, Polar did indeed 2-0.